Here the question is to differentiate between lyophobic and lyophilic salt. Both of them are typical type of colloidal solutions and they are differentiated by their interaction with the dispersion medium. The lyophilic salt has a strong affinity for the dispersion medium and the colloidal particles are easily wetted by the solvent and form stable colloidal systems. They are quite stable and are not easily get precipitated. The second one is lyophobic salt. These salts have little to no affinity for the dispersion medium and the colloidal particles do not interact strongly with the solvent, making them less stable. And the examples include gold or silver salts in water. Another difference we can say, the lyophilic salts are reversible in nature and once precipitated, they can reform the colloidal salt by simply remixing with dispersion medium. While lyophobic salts are irreversible in the nature and once precipitated, they cannot form the colloidal salt by simple addition of dispersion medium. One more difference we can write about their surface tension. The lyophilic salts have the surface tension which is lower than dispersion medium, whereas lyophobic salts have the surface tension which is nearly same as that of the dispersion medium. Now let's come to the old question. The first one is to define the protective colloid. A protective colloid is a substance that stabilizes a colloidal dispersion by preventing the aggregation or flocculation of the particles. It achieves this by forming a protective layer around the colloidal particles which increases their stability in dispersion. The examples include gelatin and starch. The protective colloids helps to maintain the uniformity and effectiveness of colloidal systems. The second term is given as zeta potential. This is a measure of electric potential at the surface of a colloidal particle in a liquid. It indicates the degree of electrostatic repulsion or attraction between the particles. A high zeta potential typically means strong repulsion between the particles, which helps to stabilize the colloidal dispersion and prevent aggregation. Conversely, a low zeta potential can lead to the aggregation and instability. The third term is emulsifying agent. This is a substance that helps to stabilize an emulsion by reducing the surface tension between two immiscible liquids such as oil and water. It allows these liquids to mix and form a stable, uniform mixture. The examples we can say lecithin and surfactants. Emulsifying agents work by creating a barrier around the droplets and it prevents them from separation.